In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the easiest way to actually make $100 online as a total beginner. So this video is going to be walking you through step by step everything you need to do to actually make this money for yourself. So I know a lot of questions might be going through your mind, which is how are we going to be making this money? So we are going to be making this money by actually using this secret app that I'm going to be sharing with you right here in a minute. All I just want you to do is to pay close attention to what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. But before that, let me quickly show you how much this app can actually make you. If I come over to the app right here, you guys could see that you guys could actually make $340. You could also make $20. If I scroll down again, you could also make $5. So if I come over here right here, you guys could actually make $152 right here on this app. So if you're going to be plotting everything together, you're actually going to be making more than $100 a day using this app. So another question that might be actually going through your mind is, what are we going to be doing to be actually making this money? So basically, we are going to be actually playing simple games on our phone, and this app is actually going to be paying us cool amounts of money. But before I shall walk you through everything you need to know about the app, let me quickly show you something real quick. So you guys can see right here that this is the payment of 22 USDT right here, and this payment was actually sent to me using this app. So this is just to tell you that this app is something that I've tried out for myself, and it's something that I've make money from it myself. So this is just to tell you that this app is actually legit, and you could actually earn some cool cash using your phone. Another thing that I love about this app is that this app is actually going to be paying you in US dollars. So if you are someone that is kind of watching this video from Nigeria, it's going to be giving you the ability like to pay you in dollars, and also it also has different kind of currency that they're going to be paying you through. So if I come over to the settings button right here and just click on this option button, you can see right here that this app is actually going to be paying you in USD, in British, in Canadian dollars. So you can just choose any kind of currency that you want. So right now the current rate for dollar right here is actually 1,000 naira. So if you know you're really serious about making money online, all I just need from you is to like pay close attention to everything that I'm going to be teaching you right here in this video. Don't worry, I'm going to be telling you how you could actually get this app in a bit. But before that, let me actually show you how you could actually make money on the app. So once you're already on the app right here, so all you need to do is to head over to this option right here, which is the offer section. So once you click on this offer section right here, it's going to load up a bit. So it's going to be taking you straight to this place where you'll be going to see a lot of games that you could actually play to earn money. So you can see right here that this game is actually going to be paying you $34 right here to actually play this game. This game is also going to be paying you $20 to actually play this game, and there are a lot of games you could actually play right here on this app. So if I come over to this place right here, you're going to see that this app is actually going to be paying you up to $81 per each game you play, and there are a lot of games you could actually play. And also this is another game also that you could play, and this game is also going to be paying you close to like $70 right here. So literally all you need to do for you to start making money from this app right here is to just play simple games on your phone, because I know a lot of us out there literally likes to play game, and a lot of us just play game that are not going to be like earning us money. But with this app right here, you could actually earn some extra cash for yourself. If you are enjoying this video so far, make sure you like the video and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So all you just need to do right here is to just click on any of the games you would like to play. So let me click on this game that's actually going to be paying us $81. So if I click on it right here, it's going to load up a bit. So it's going to take us to this section right here where you'll be asked to like read the description about the game. So these are what you need to know about the game for them to be able to pay you. This game is actually going to be paying you level by level. So if you're able to complete the level 1, you're actually going to be getting $2. So if you're able to like complete the level 2, they're going to pay you $5. So they're going to be giving you points. So the more points you get, like the more money you actually made. So the first thing you need to do right is just download the app right here. Just click on get the game right here. So once you click on get the game right here, you'll be able to like download the app. Just download the app on your phone and start playing the game. So once you start playing this game, they're actually going to be making you money. So another way you could actually make money on this app is by actually completing some simple surveys. And what I love about this app is that their survey are going to be like paying you a lot. So you can see right here, this survey is actually going to be paying you 0.38 cents. Why this survey is going to be paying you 0.28 cents. So if you keep on scrolling, you're going to see a lot of survey that you could actually complete, that you could make money for yourself. There are various ways you could make money on the app. So you could play games, you could do survey, you could like sign up for an app. So basically you're actually going to be paying you once you register for an app. So you could like just filter the category, go over to the category section and just filter it. So you're going to see different kind of tags you could do right here. So that is how you could actually make money by literally playing simple games on your phone. I personally, what helped me to be able to like cash out faster on this app is that I had to like give my phone to my junior brother, because I know he loves playing a lot of games. So it was the one that was actually playing this game, and I was actually making money, although I had to like give him some money from the game he was playing, so just to compensate him. So if you know you have a junior brother, or you have a cousin, or you have someone that could actually play these games for you, you could actually give the person. So this is for those of us that does not have time to like play these games yourself. But if you know you have a lot of free time, you could actually play these games and make some money for yourself. So if you know you have found the video helpful so far, make sure you like the video and smash the subscribe button, and also feel free to share this video to your friends and family that may be in need of the video. So guys, basically once you already have some money in your account, so all you need to do is to just head over to the cash out section. So once you head over to the cash out section, you're going to see different kind of payment method that you could cash out your money. You could either cash out your money through Bitcoin, you could cash out your money through USDT. So you can also cash out your money through various methods on this app. You can cash out your money through PayPal if you have a PayPal account. So if you're going to be cashing out your money through Bitcoins or USDT, please make sure you're not using the B2B option, because you know that the B2B 20 option is kind of down. So it's better for you to like try out other payment method right here. You could either go with Litecoin, or you just go with like BTC. So it's up to you. Feel free to explore and choose the kind of payment method you want to withdraw your money with. The minimum payout for this app is actually $4. So if you're going to be going with Bitcoins, you need to have at least $30. But if you're going to be going with like Litecoins and the others, you need to have $4 and the rest. You just check out their payment threshold for each of the payment method. So the link to the app is going to be in the comment section below. So I'm going to be pinning the link to the registration of the app. So just head over to the comment section right here. So once you head over to the comment section, you're going to be seeing the link to the app. Just click on it right here to go create an account for yourself. So if you have any question you want to ask me, feel free to drop your question in the comment section, and I'm going to be answering all your questions. Guys, if you know you haven't joined our WhatsApp community, I'm going to be leaving the link in the video description. Just go to the video description to go join our WhatsApp community. So anytime I drop an awesome video about making money online, you're going to be the first person to be notified. And also, if you know you want to learn more ways to make money online, you can just click on the video popping right on your screen, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.